singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance with you.
Currently at the beach. It's been an adventure. It took me an hour to get to the actual beach because we got here just before 1, but it took me an hour to park. And I, being a cool mom, let everybody out of the car and was like, I'll go park. Drove around the parking lot a few times. Finally found somebody who was leaving, put my blinker on, you know, the courtesy move. They pull out, and they actually are going forward, so it's perfect because I can just follow right behind them. And some, I won't say a bad word, but some rude person pulls in the same parking spot that I'm pulling into, and we're both halfway in the spot, and he's staring at me, laughing, and I'm like, I'm not moving. I've been here for 40 minutes waiting to park, and you just got here. And he says something, blah, 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 blah. I don't know what he's saying. And so I turned my car off. And I won that battle. As petty as it might be, I was like, no, it's the principle. I did it the correct way. You did it the wrong way. So, yeah. Then I come down to the beach, and my daughter is wearing her clothes in the water. So she's now got no dry clothes. So she's got to drive home in her bra and shoes. My son, I put too much sunscreen on him, so I look like a helicopter mother. He's really, really white. Yeah. But I'm here. We're here. Just got here. The kids are having a blast. It's beautiful out. We're gonna chill on the beach for a couple hours, have some dinner probably on the pier, and then go home. It was a last minute spontaneous vacation. That's what we tend to do, is last minute. So, and we're neither one of us. We both like lots of planning, but last night we were just like, let's go to the beach. Okay, so here we are at the beach. That's all.
Singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh.
Good find, good find. It's alive. Woo! Yeah, people will eat that. You can boil it in water and people will eat it. Are you checking out all the cute boys running by you? Arrow! Look at her fish. There were so many of them. Mobbing.
Oh, that got you up, huh? Oh my god.
Her face.
I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Do you have your clam alive in there? Wow, that's so cool. You have a pet.
You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Take a chance, will you let me ride?
They're not gonna let you pet them, honey.
I could be the best.
They're scared of you. They're scared of you.
Singing way oh, way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me
Okay. Wait, I need one more to rinse off. Look at all over your back, Zay.
I've got it on Emmy's butt, too.
Let me see. See, Emmy. Woo! Do another one. Do another one. Are you having a lot of fun or a little fun? A lot of fun? Are you having a lot of fun or a little fun?
Wait, wipe it on you. I need to wipe.
I don't want you to wipe me.
Let me do a smile. I want to do a smile.
Do it.
Surrender. I gotta find all surrender. Can I hold it and make
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life.
look at my feet?
Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Yeah. Careful. Look, I'm married.
If I tickle your feet, will you smile? I'll tickle you.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way
So this lady that's next to us is literally looking like a lobster. And I don't know if that's like her goal, because she's awake. She's not asleep, but I'm like, why? Like, why? Hold on, let me show you.
I could be the best thing in your life.
Those two are pretty.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
What'd you get?
Almost another clam. I picked up a live clam.
Wow, good job.
Yeah.
Hope that adds to your collection.
That's 2 clams.
Yeah. These clams.
Because I picked it up and I grabbed it from the water.
Well, I know you picked it up and grabbed it, but how'd you find it? Did you just float it up?
Yeah. You just wash them.
Cool. Look, there's another pretty one. We're walking out.
I did not want to drown.
I didn't drown. I'm holding your hand.
Guy who could treat me right.
You got wet in the ocean? Yeah. That's surprise.
Surprise, it was gonna get me. Look out!
You scared?
Let's get out.
You gotta jump over it. Jump! Good job.
It's a big lake.
And jump! Woo!
Oh, that's about that.
He survived.
And I almost jumped. Jump, Sophie. Jump. Oh no, that's a big one.
Here it comes.
No! And jump! Oh, that was big. And then that really
Comes another one, Zayd.
Guys, you're pushing the plant that way. Nobody. The water bunny can get her. Stay right here. Yeah. Stay right here.
Okay, ready? Here comes the wave. Are you ready?
Oh, that's big. That's big. Are
you ready? Here comes the wave.
No. That's a problem. Bro, I surrender. That was a big one. I didn't even fall.
Clam?
Yeah.
There's so many underneath my feet right here in this spot. I just feel them when the water takes them away.
I don't like these clams.
Throw them deeper so they can live good. Look at all these. There's so many. There's so. Oh, that one licked me. Ah, it licked me.
Debbie, touch it. Hurry.
Ew.
It's like a tongue.
No, watch out!
There's so many, huh? Had a first at the beach. I stepped on what I'm guessing is a clam like breeding area. There was a solid 20 or 30 of them, and I was licked by a clam. So was Emmy, I think, or maybe it was Arrow. But 2 of us were licked by clams. That was the first. That was pretty cool. There were so many. We just kind of like, well, we probably shouldn't have, but we dug them up and threw them a little bit deeper into the water so people would leave them alone.
I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, oh. Way oh,
I'll give you 10 minutes. So can I just get us to go? Because we're trying to leave.
Together.
I'm red. She's red. We're red. We're red. Let me see. Smile. Look at me. Good morning. We got home really late last night after we went to have pizza, but
We woke up this morning and we are all sunburned. And what's funny is I was making fun of the lady who looked like a lobster next to us, and I think Karma a little bit was like, I got you. I want you to be red too. Like, I think the only one that didn't get sunburned was Zayd, but you saw I put too much sunscreen on him, so he's still pasty white, but like my forehead is red, my nose is red. Dylan's legs and the top of her toes, and then obviously her face are so red. I feel so bad. I'm so horrible. I mean, at the end of the day, we all had a really good time, and I like want to go back to the beach already, but it is what it is. The price you pay for having fun in the sun is getting sunburned, especially if you're ghostly white like me. But yeah, anywho's, I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun watching the kids go crazy. I know I did. It was very relaxing. And until next time, love and peace.